Hey guys, it's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. So basically, I just received the James Charles palette. It's so nice. Like, I mean, okay, this is a box that comes in. Like, what? It's so pretty. He literally put so much effort into this. It's crazy. Like, even the box is just stunning. Then the actual palette it's huge. Like, I've never seen eyeshadow this big, and it's, oh my god guys, the colors, the shades are so stunning. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna film. I don't know what I want to film. I want to use every color in here, but like that's not gonna work. Like, I kind of want to do purple look, but I've done one on my channel before. I want to do blue because I've never used blue, but like, I don't know, I want to use as many colors as possible. So what I'm thinking is doing those like rainbow sunset eyes, like 3 colors on each eye, something like that. So I literally just got home, just got this, just put on some eyebrows and sat in front of my camera, and now I'm filming. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. So first I'm going to do a tutorial and try to use as many colors as possible and do a look with this palette, and then at the end I will review it and say my final thoughts and talk about the price and the size and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm just gonna get super close for this so I can show you guys everything I'm using and how the colors blend and the pigments and all of that. So right now all I have on so far are my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow. I'm actually gonna put some tape on my outer corners because I want to make this look very sharp and clean. Okay, and now that I look a bit insane, we're gonna start. So I'm gonna try to, like I said, I'm gonna try to use as many colors as possible. So I'm gonna start off with the base shade, which is called Canvas, and it's just this like nude color. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and put that all over my lids. For just a nude eyeshadow, you can definitely see it's there. It's basically the same color as my skin, but it did give a very like smooth look to my eyelid, if you know what I mean. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like, I don't know if it's called a sunset or a rainbow eye, but I'm gonna be doing yellow, orange, red on this eye, and then green, blue, purple on this eye. And then I'm gonna do like a cut crease and like all that because I'm gonna try to just use everything. So we'll see how this works. So I think I'm gonna start from the inner corner and like build it out. I think I'm gonna start with the cool tone eye, which is going to be this. So I'm going to be starting with green. So the first green color I'm going to be using is Social Blade, and it's just that bright lime green color. Just using a little fluffy brush for that, little blending brush. I've never used a green eyeshadow before, but so far it's blending out really nicely and I'm not having trouble with it, so that's good. And I'm just looking down at my mirror, so don't mind that. So I'm just blending it out all over the crease. This is kind of gonna act as like a transition shade. So yeah, just make sure to blend that out very nicely. So I think that's good for the green. The green's looking really cute. Now I'm gonna move on to the blue. I think it's green, blue, purple. Like, am I wrong? I don't know. We'll see. For the blue color, I'm going to be using the bright blue called Playground, and I'm just going to be blending it into the green and going in as the second color. Never used blue eyeshadow either, so let's see how this works. Okay, once again, like, I'm super impressed. This is blending out like so easy, like I'm barely touching it. Like, because usually colored formulas like green and blue give people more troubles, but this is like blending out like like what? It's like good. I don't have words. I don't, like, this is so nice. And like there's no fallout. Like, wow. Just gonna try to blend it high up and make sure to merge the green and the blue together. Blend it down. Cute. So the blue, perfect, 10 out of 10, blends out easily, super pigmented, super cute. And now I'm gonna go in with the purple. Like, this is taking me no time. Like, I'm scared. They're blending out so nicely. Like, I hope, like, what? For the purple color, I'm going to be going into this bright purplish pink, and it's called Single. And I'm going to be blending it into the blue and winging it out. I'm just making sure to blend this in all very nicely. And once again, the purple is like literally like, it's so nice. Like, it's blending so nice. I had to double layer this one. This one wasn't as pigmented, but it's still super cute. It's a really nice color and it's blending so easily. Like, my eye looks so good. Like, I've never ever used eyeshadow that blends out this nicely. Okay, so that is it for all the transition shades of this eye, and now I'm going to go in with a shade darker of each of these shades just to deepen it up before I cut the crease. So I'm just going to go in with a little slightly denser blending brush, and then I'm going to go into this dark green, which is called Daddy, and I'm just going to deepen up the green in the crease. And I'm just going to try to keep this very close to the crease and only on the green. And so far, it's blending out amazingly, like all of the colors. I'm just going to bring you guys a little closer so you can see the details better. And then to deepen up the blue, I'm going to go into this like indigo blue color, and it's in the shade Cola. And I'm just going to deepen up the crease in the blue section. And then to deepen up the purple, I'm going to go into the dark purple, which is called Escape. Okay, so that was it for the first eye. It looks so stunning. It blended so easily that literally took me less than 15 minutes. I'm shocked because colored eyeshadow usually really have to work with. But this is amazing and it's so cute. And now I'm going to go into the warm tone base. Okay, so for the warm tone side, I'm going to be starting off with this bright yellow color called B for my inner corner. And in this palette, there isn't a darker yellow to really deepen this up, so I'm just going to really put a lot of this color onto my lid. But anyways, for a yellow eyeshadow, it is extremely pigmented and it looks so nice on the eye. Like, it's very visible, it's very vibrant, so that's always good. So after yellow comes orange, and I'm going to be using this stunning, like this is probably my favorite color in here, bright orange called 518, and I'm going to be blending that into the yellow. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Look, wow, this is so nice. I think James mentioned in his video about releasing this palette that this orange shade was one of those pressed pigments which you have to pack, so I'm gonna try to do that to get a little more pigment out of it. Yeah, that's so much better. I don't even think my camera is picking up these colors as nice as they are, but they're stunning. Like, wow. And last in the warm tone eye, I'm going to use red, which is this really vibrant, oh my gosh, which is this really vibrant red color called You're Kidding. And he did mention this, You're Kidding is a pressed pigment, so you do have to pack it on the eye as opposed to blending it out. And like I said, there isn't a darker red as there is a yellow, so I'm just going to pack extra on to give it that definition, but this red is looking so bomb. And now to deepen up the orange, I'm going to be going into this reddish orange shade called Rested, just to deepen up that middle shade. Stunning, just like all the other shades. So that is just the base, and it's so pretty. Everything was so blendable, so pigmented. It looks so good. Like, I'm like, oh my god, guys, like, I'm so incredibly happy with this. Like, wow, like, just wait till I talk at the end and say my final thoughts, because, like, wow. Okay, so now next for this look, I want to do I think I'm gonna go with a half cut crease, not a full cut crease, and then pack it on with some weight and some glitter, throw on a lash, and then like finish my face. My Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer to cut the lid. The white shade called Flashback, which is just a huge pan of white. Flashback, I'm just going to pack that in right over the concealer so it doesn't crease or move around. And I'm just going to go back in with the purple and blue and blend out the edge of it. Okay, the white is pretty cute, but I feel like it was hyped up a little more than it should have been. It's not crazy pigmented. It is a nice white, but it's not like just, it's not like as I thought it'd be white, like more brighter, but I don't know, maybe if I pack on some more, like it's not bad, but it could be better. But everything else amazing. So now I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. And then once again, I'm just going to pack the white shade over that concealer. Then once again, I'm just going to go back in with the red and orange and blend that crease a little better into the eye look. Okay, we're almost done with the eyes. That's basically it for those eyes. I'm just going to add some glitter shadow from here onto it to highlight. And I think I'm going to put some on the cut crease too, just to like bring some extra, I don't know what I'm doing, just to bring some extra like pop into this look. And then I'm gonna do my face and then be back with the review. Okay, so I'm going to take a little small flat shader brush and I'm going to wet it with the Mario Badescu water. I'm going to take Ring Light, which is that really pretty white gold shade right over there. I'm going to pack it over the crease. Okay, now this color is stunning. It is so glittery and so pigmented. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so that is it for the eye look. I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. Now I'm just gonna go off camera, finish my face, and I'm gonna come back to the palette and use the shade in the palette called Face, which is the highlight shade, and use it as highlighter on my face to see how that works. And then I'll be back with the review, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so now that the rest of my face is done, this is what the eyes look like with full makeup. I'm just gonna spray my face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and then I'm going back into the palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Face, which is this really pretty highlighter shade, and I'm just going to actually I'm going to take a brush dry first. So I'm just going to take this little highlighter brush and dip into it. This one has a lot of fallout, but a lot of highlighters usually do. Just tap that off. Wow, do you guys see that? That's stunning. Okay.
Cupid's bow. Wow, this is so pretty, guys.
Now I'm just going to take a smaller highlighting brush and I highlight my inner corners and brow bones. Okay, so the highlighter is stunning. Everything in this palette is stunning. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do my lower lash line. And I'm just going to be using the same colors as I did at the top of my lid on the bottom and smoking out the lash line. Okay, now I'm just going to go put on some mascara and pop on some eyelashes, and I'll be right back for the end. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the final look, face, eyes, and all. This palette is the most amazing thing I've ever tried. I'd highly recommend it. If you're looking into buying this, go buy it right now. Like, I've never had such an easy time doing makeup in my life. Everything blended so nicely. It was so pigmented. The face shade worked as a beautiful highlighter. Everything just looks so bomb. The packaging is really cute. The box it came in is so cute. It has James on it. This is so cute. And the palette is actually huge, guys. Like, you don't understand how big it is. For $50, you get 39 shades, and this palette is huge. For comparison, I'll show you the Morphe 350 and the size compared to this. So this is a Morphe 350, and like, look at that. It's like huge. It's so much bigger. The colors are just amazing. Every color you could possibly want is in this. From like bright to black to white to neutral to crazy colorful. It's just so nice. It was so easy to work with. It worked so amazing. If James made 10 more palettes, I'd go buy them all right now. I'd highly recommend this. It's just so stunning. Like, I'm just in shock every time I look at my eyes, and like I'm just in shock on how easy everything was to blend out, especially because I use all like colorful shades that usually don't have the easiest formulas to blend out. It was like the easiest thing I've ever done. If you are looking into this, I highly recommend you go out and buy it right now. I'm so proud of James. I've literally been watching him since before he got scouted for CoverGirl, and he's just come so far, and for him to only be 19 years old and like having all this success, like that's amazing. Good for him. His palette is amazing. You can so tell he put so much time and effort and work into this, and it's just like he made it perfect. He made it like work for every possible look. I'm like so happy with this purchase. I'm so happy I got this. So yeah guys, like I said a million times, go get it right now. Like, you need it. If you need one palette in your life, it's this. It literally has everything you need. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. This is the completed look. I hope you guys liked watching me create this. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.